Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. So how to actually fix that? First, you need to open the Authenticator app. So now you need to make sure that you actually have the code from here. If you don't have it, you need to click on the three dots on the top right. And from here, see the securely notifications or the notifications on your device. Depending on your device, it may change the name. Click on it, and now from here you may see the codes. So if there's no codes from here, you need to actually just turn off the app as see from here, and after that you need to go to your settings. So just search for the settings on your app, and after that you need to search for date and time. So now the date and time section will appear from here. You need to open it, and now you need to make sure that your time is set automatically and it's actually right. So as you from here, you can actually use the network provided time from here. After that, if this didn't fix your issue, you need to actually just hold on the Microsoft Authenticator app and go to the app info. From here, you can actually try to force stop the app and then open it again. Also, you can go to storage and cache. You can try to clear cache from here. And if that didn't fix your issue, you can just clear the storage from here and uninstall the app. Also, you can reinstall it from the Google Play and see if that fixes your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.